Welcome to another episode on my podcast, on my channel, on my page, Kudzi Madziro podcast, Kudzi Madziro YouTube channel. Right. I'm going to call white as white. I'm going to call blue as blue. I'm going to call green as green. I'm going to call pink as pink. Right now in this video. Okay. I saw another comment on my channel, on my podcast. This guy again from Bulawayo. This guy from Ndebele. This guy from the Matemne province. The guy was lamenting. The guy was baffling. The guy was crying. The guy was complaining like, you Shona men, Shona guys, you Shona people, you are taking our jobs from Ndebele province, Ndebele region. You are taking our jobs from Bulawayo. I was so surprised, down to the core. I was so shocked, down to the core. I was so flabbergasted, down to the core. I'm like, what I say? Hey, guy, man, what I say? Who is taking your jobs? From where? Because as far as I understand, there are no jobs in Bulawayo. There are no jobs in Ndebele province. There are no jobs in Ndebele region, as far as I know and as far as I understand. You see? So, who is taking what? Where? How? I was very surprised. I was very shocked. I was so flabbergasted. I'm like, no. What I say? Because there are some people from Bulawayo, from Ndebele province, Ndebele region, who told me that there used to be factories or factories in Bulawayo. There used to be industries in Bulawayo. Once upon a time, there were factories in Bulawayo. There were industries in Bulawayo or in Ndebele province. And now, since the 1980s until right now, there are no longer factories or there are no longer industries in Bulawayo or in Ndebele. And now this guy is coming just a few days ago on my channel, on one of my videos, and say, you Shona people, Shona men, Shona what? You are taking our jobs. All the employment opportunities in Bulawayo, you are taking them away to yourselves. So I became very confused. I became very juxtaposed. Like, guy, man, bruh, what are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying. I don't get it. Because I know there are no jobs in Bulawayo. I was there this year, 2025, January and February, 2025 in Bulawayo. I saw it by my two eyes, two good eyes, two sharp eyes. I saw it myself. That this side of the world is poor. Nothing is going on. Things are not normal. Things are not good. Things are not okay. Things are not fine in this part of the world, which they call Bulawayo or Ndebele province, Ndebele region. I saw it myself. So how come you tell me that you are taking our jobs? And now I'll ask you, which jobs are you speaking of? What kind of jobs? What type of jobs? What caliber of jobs are you talking about? That these Shona guys or Shona people from a Shona land region are taking our jobs. So you are listening to me now in this video. I want you to comment. I want you to talk. I want you to write something in the comments box, comment section. What jobs are Shona people taking away from Ndebele people? What jobs are they taking away? What type of jobs? What kind of jobs? What caliber of jobs? Because I want to know. I want to understand. Maybe the guy is right. I don't know. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's correct. And it's me who is wrong. It's me maybe at fault. Since I've never stayed in Bulawayo or in Ndebele region. So maybe I don't know some of the things. I don't know some of the things. So I want to check if I'm right or if I'm wrong, if I'm correct or I'm not correct concerning this issue of jobs that are Shona people, Shona men especially, they are taking away jobs or employment opportunities from the Ndebele people. Please, I want you to comment. I want you to talk. Let's engage in the comments box, comment section. Everything. What do you know? What do you understand? What are your thoughts? What are your reactions? What are your feelings? What are your emotions on this subject about Shona people and jobs in Ndebele region in Bulawayo? What is your take? What is your submission? What is your postulation based on what I'm saying? When I was saying this issue, what came to your mind? What popped up in your brain? What popped up in your mind? But this is my personal standpoint. This is my personal viewpoint. I was there in January and February in Bulawayo. I was very happy. I was so excited. I enjoyed my time. Nice time, good time in Bulawayo. I did not see any job. I didn't see any factory or any industry that warrants having people to come from a Mashonaland region and go to Bulawayo and go to Ndebele. I didn't see any factories or industries. No, no factory, no industry that I saw. There's nothing special that I saw there. There's nothing spectacular, nothing fabulous that I saw in Bulawayo that will make people to travel from Harare, travel from Mashonaland to go to Ndebele. There's nothing fancy that I saw there. Nothing special, nothing amazing there that I saw. It's just normal life. It's just basic life. Or maybe rather, let me say, it's just a usual life or common life that I saw in Bulawayo, that I saw in Ndebele region, that I saw in Ndebele province. So I don't understand or I don't get it when somebody say or type or write on my channel to say they're taking our jobs or they're taking our employment. I don't get it. I don't really get it. So please, Ndebele people or people in Bulawayo, people in Ndebele province, tell me, what are the jobs? What kind of jobs? What nature of the jobs? What caliber? What type of the jobs are Shona people? These Shona people taking away from Ndebele people. When did it happen? When did it happen? How did it happen? How? What happened? What was the process that led to that thing happening? So things of this sort, things of this nature, things of this caliber, things of this fashion, things of this manner. Please, let's talk in the comment section, in the comments box. Otherwise, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.